everybody, I am Oliver Sussman, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make fresh homemade hand sanitizer. Okay guys, so you're going to need aloe vera, and you could buy it at the store or you could have it at home just like we do right here. So since we have it at our house, we're going to cut it right here. Now we have it cut. Okay guys, first you're going to need an aloe vera plant. And you're gonna squeeze it out to make it all go in a dish. But you can see it's kind of cut up just because I'm a kid, so I need it easier for me to come out. I need to get it good. I poured in all of my aloe vera. Now time for 10 drops of essential oil. I have cola. Doesn't matter what flavor you have as long as you like it. Yeah, 10 drops. There you go. Now you're gonna take a quarter of some alcohol. Just gonna put it in, and you're gonna put it right in. Now, so you have all your alcohol, make sure there's none left. Then you're gonna stir. So here we go. Stir, going, and I can. Feels clean, smells clean, is clean. There you go, guys. Hope you stay safe from the corona, and see you in my next